Good evening, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Today, I am going to talk about artificial intelligence. Nowadays, everyone is discussing AI and it is being used in almost every field and everywhere. If you look before 10 years ago, AI was not advanced and widely used, but now AI used everywhere, every field. Its presence in the IT sector was very limited. However, today AI is transforming multiple industry, multiple fields, health care, insurance, education, everywhere AI used. AI is working very efficiently. At the same time, many IT professionals are facing job challenge because of it. Those who are not learning or adapting to AI, that very difficult to sustain his hard job because AI used in IT sector drastically. It is very important to everyone to learn AI and upgrade their skills. The AI market is growing rapidly. If you compare with 10 years ago, developer used to write code and faced any issue or bug. They rely Google or Google Google only to search and solutions. But nowadays, when developer facing any issue using AI tools, Gemini, ChatGPT that provides efficient way to answer the, who faced issue. The AI also also to improve productivity. Anyone wants to learn new things using AI definitely learn new things easily. And also AI work very fast. And also nowadays in the market there are a lot of vacancy in the AI job because every big company invest lot of money into AI. In AI market day by day drastically improved and also impact in our job or the market. I hope I can able to express what is AI, how AI impact in our economy or environment. Maybe I explained little bit. You definitely you will be understood. I hope you are all good. Enjoy my session. I am here learner. You can you can also learner. You follow me, like and subscribe. That a lot of mean for me. That also motivation for me. Thank you. Bye bye.